Hi, I'm Edward, GM of Grand Japan. Ever wonder why bigger order equal to better price? Let's get real.
Still waste.
Big order equal to custom minor cast work. Zero scrap, you save. Small order, use leftover stock. More wasted, you pay.
Color trap.
Supplier says 120 kg minimum per color. Big order, use all. No extra cost. Small order, paid for unused powder. Ouch.
Setup nightmare.
Need 6 mode, 2-day testing, engineers on site, 10K pieces, 0.1 each. 100 pieces, 10 each.
Our fixed tier deals.
For example, 1,000 pieces, 15% off. 10,000 pieces, 13% off.
Need a fair price.
Command GM now. I will personality calculate your safety. Be smart. Don't let small order waste your cash.